In our team, we believe in trying to understand rural farming communities and working with them to find integrated solutions to their challenges. In our experience, the most significant challenges faced are lack of access to information for farming and quality inputs, post-harvest losses and over-reliance on middlemen to be able to market the crops, and lack of facilities or know-how to be able to process the produce into value-added goods. There are technical solutions to these challenges individually, which rely on farmers making productive use of those technologies. But we realised that we had to provide an incubation service to help those rural farmers and would-be entrepreneurs be able to set up their businesses to be able to use those technologies. So we have conceived of the idea of a Farmers Enterprise Centre, a one-stop shop that will provide the key services, tools, training, support and know-how to allow rural farmers to become more entrepreneurial, to take control of marketing and processing their own produce, and to generate a greater financial return from the investment and back-breaking work and long hours that they put in. The first revolutionary innovation in the Farmers Enterprise Centre is a low-tech, low-cost cold store design that we've developed. Instead of using expensive imported building materials and technology, this is built from compressed soil blocks made locally by the community themselves. We use an agricultural waste product, rice husk, as insulation and have adapted locally sold and easily repairable domestic air conditioning units to provide the cooling. Everything is run from solar energy. This system performs so well in tests that at low cost it can reach and maintain temperatures as low as 2 degrees Celsius and keep in excess of 20 tonnes of produce fresh using less than 500 watts of energy to maintain that temperature. Our second innovation is to surround that cold store with a number of productive use spaces where farmers can carry out key activities for value addition, like milling or juicing, or activities for productivity like a workshop to repair tools or a shop for agricultural inputs. These spaces can also host new businesses and services that members of the community want to try to set up. The third innovation is an innovation space for farmers to learn important digital skills and access online knowledge to improve their farming, including the latest agronomic techniques and things like market prices for crops and the value-added products. Farmers will also be able to make digital payments and receive financial services at the centre. We are currently constructing 4 of these Farmers Enterprise Centres in different regions in Uganda to test their impact on communities. Our expectation is that farmers will be able to triple their income in addition to the wider benefits to the communities. While we're tailoring the centres to the needs of farmers in Uganda, we believe their benefit is general enough to be adapted to the needs of farmers and more diverse crops in other developing countries as well.